Unleash the power of Wati to transform your leads into loyal customers with comprehensive tracking. First, navigate to your Wati dashboard where you'll find a running record of all your conversations, giving you instant access to all your leads. Click on a conversation to open it. Here you can see the lead's contact information, ensuring that you're capturing important details. Go further by creating custom attributes, tailoring each conversation with insights like the product the customer is most interested in. Time to check the analytics. Move to the Analytics tab to view detailed reports on your lead interactions within Wati. Track lead volume across different periods of time, identify trends, and gauge the effects of your outreach efforts. Dive deeper by seeing which channels are generating the most leads, allowing you to focus your efforts where they matter the most. Measure your team's performance by seeing which agents are driving the most conversions, giving you insights to improve employee productivity. Now you know how to track, analyze, and interpret lead data within Wati, so start optimizing your campaigns and boosting conversions today.